This is a boat that came in that they had some throttle issues, and so you go to gear and then you press it forward, and you can see that's just glass right there. Go ahead and hook up his linkage. That's with his linkage on his motor disconnected. Once you hook his linkage up, it goes into gear, and then it's just, my fingers are turning purple. It just doesn't want to press forward or reverse. So taking the linkage off, and this is the throttle here, and you can see it moving right there, and it's just not smooth, and it takes excessive force to throttle it up. So the linkage problem is on the linkage in the motor that's causing the linkage to bind up.